Let me quickly explain how Nowbar works and how to use it on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. So essentially, Nowbar is an additional bar that we have access to on the lock screen and always on display if it's enabled, which allows you to control certain apps that are working with Nowbar in general. Essentially, you can go to settings and then choose lock screen and AOD, and go to Nowbar over here in order to see the list of live notifications, which means that these apps that you can see over here, they can work with the Nowbar as long as they are enabled in here, and as long as they have enabled notifications. So let's say I'm gonna use the clock app. We can, let's say, set up a timer over here. Let's set it to maybe 10 minutes, why not? There we go. And I'm gonna also enable the recorder. Let me try to find it. We should be able to find voice recorder over here. There we go. And let's grant all of these permissions and let's start recording and make sure that notifications are activated. Besides that, the Nowbar or apps that are working with Nowbar can be spotted, I believe, here in the upper left corner right next to date. So over here, we should be able to switch between them as well. So if you just swipe to the left or something, you actually turn them off. So make sure not to do that. But they are, of course, still working just fine. Let them actually work in the background. So how you can use it with the Nowbar, how you can use these apps and how you can control them. So if we go to the lock screen, then you will notice here at the bottom we have our Nowbar. We can actually swipe between these options. There is also the Now Brief, of course, and you should be able to control these options. Let me go back to the lock screen again. As you can see here, we have the pause button. So in some cases, you might have a pause button. In some cases, you might find something different. This depends on the app itself. And you can also tap on the bar in order to reveal even more options. At least in some cases, you might find some more options. Like, for example, in the case of recorder, you can cancel, pause, or stop the recording, and so on and so forth. And of course, here we should also be able to use the Nowbar with AOD as long as you allow it to be displayed. However, the difference is that we cannot actually tap on the bar to reveal more options. It is only possible to do so on the lock screen. And that is pretty much it. So this is the whole functionality of the Nowbar. It allows you to control certain things, certain apps without having to unlock the phone. You can use the lock screen for that. You can pause something, renew something, and so on and so forth. Of course, the list of apps that are supported with Nowbar, as I mentioned, is listed over here. So the list is somewhat long, although unfortunately we cannot really add more apps. This is just how it's made. So unless the app developer actually made it work with the Nowbar, you will not be able to, of course, use custom apps over there. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.